How to turn off background apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will walk you step by step on how you can turn off background apps on Android. Some applications that keep running in the background on your Android device can be a massive drain on your device's battery. Android makes it possible to turn off individual apps so that they don't run in the background. First of all, you want to open these settings on your device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, the list of all the applications in your device is displayed. Select any app that you do not want to be running in the background. Then tap on the option of Battery. Here you have three options: unrestricted, optimized, and restricted. When an app is set on unrestricted, it allows this app to use battery in the background without restrictions. This may reduce your battery life. While it is on optimize, it depends on the usage of the application. When you put it on restricted, it restricts the battery usage while this app is running in the background. The app may not work as expected and notifications may also be delayed. If you do not want this application to be running in the background, then you want to select the restricted option. Head back, and now you can do this for all the other applications as well. And this is how you turn off background apps on Android. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.